Yiero mar duond bura mar ODM ma igeto time kor gwenge ma pacho ka tarik 27 dwe ni koro kelo liet e kaunti ma Kakamega kind kweth ariyo ma kwedore ma jokanyo mag duond bura no. Kweth achiel motelnegi gi Dafra Amboko ma en jakom duond bura no moko kuom kuonde chung' od bura e kaunti ma Kakamega kwedo nying jachung' ma opuodhi mar chung' ka giwacho ni en ne okonywak pach gi chenro mar puodho jochung' go. Kweth ma kwedogi bende wuok mager ka wacho ni mago e nyinge ma idhi tiyogo e yiero no, ka giwacho ni kweth machielo no oseluor ka koro gidwaro mondo giluw chike matayo duond bura mar ODM.
We hereby note the following: that the National Election Board of the party has not engaged the party rank and file in preparing for credible elections. That the current grassroots party leadership have no input at all in preparing our members for elections and have not been consulted on the overall preparations by the National Elections Board. We hereby reject the list of 12 returning officers and urge the National Election Board to engage the membership of the party, especially the branches, in coming up with a list of credible and acceptable men and women who will oversee the elections.
Of course, we know in any political process there's interest, and we have the feelings that when you look at the list, there are people who don't belong to ODM. ODM is 20 years old. We know each other very well. So if you want returning officers, presiding officers, poll clerks, we know who they are.
Hiyo kusema list yenye imekuja sio yenye walikuwa nafikiria. Wewe ukiwa player ama timu zikiingia kwa uwanja mbili, hakuna timu inapatiwa nafasi ya kuchagua referee. So sisi tulichaguliwa referee na board ya election. So yule mtu ambaye anaongelea mambo ya presiding officer wenye anakuja ameogopa uchaguzi. Yeye anasema yuko na pesa ataenda Nairobi kununua kiti. Lakini hiki kinapigwa kuanzia polling station, ward level, branch level to county level.